When spring begins, there's some plants that may take a little longer to push new growth. Things like roses, some of the different types of hydrangea, they can look pretty dead for quite a while, and we always tell customers to just be patient for a little while.
And as you can see here that, this plant over on this side has all been pruned up and it looks perfectly normal. This one you can just see the extent that they're dead over the winter. So all you have to do is wait till the new growth starts a little bit and prune it out.
Right, and you're going to make that cut on that dead wood right before the new growth comes from further below. And what's most important is the roots of these plants are fine, so they push all that new growth a little bit later on, and it's just helpful to wait just a little while. This is a type of mountain hydrangea, and oftentimes you'll get some growth in that bottom third of the old wood, but in most cases it comes new from the bottom. So you want to make sure that you wait until see where your new growth is coming from, and then you can prune out those old stems.
This plant right here is a Ninebark, and normally Ninebark is a pretty hardy plant and doesn't die back, but occasionally it happens. And again, once the new growth has started to come up, you can see, where to get it cleaned up. So clean it up, middle of May.
So when you do your first initial spring cleanup, you may want to hesitate on some of these things. It's okay to do a little bit of deadheading, like cut the old flowers off, but then give it a couple of weeks and see what comes back. So thank you for joining us today. I'm Liz Snyder.
And I'm Jim Hoteling, the home gardeners from Hillside Garden Landscaping.